to the S in races. I'm noticing the S in races means sum it up. Our notes tell us sum up your answer by restating the question to create a closing sentence. So today, using your pencil, I'm going to get you started and you will finish your S sentence or your conclusion. So I'm going to go ahead and use my pencil as you use your pencil, and once again, you will finish my sentence. We're going to use in conclusion, comma, and then you guys are going to restate your R and put a period. This is called wrapping it up. So all students are writing their conclusion sentence in their last square. We call this the S in races.